Hey guys, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I'm exploring the LG GL D241 ASPX refrigerator. Now this is a single door 4-star refrigerator with 235-litre capacity. This refrigerator is available in a wide range of colors and designs. The one right next to me is in Scarlet Plumeria color. Now LG has equipped this refrigerator with some brilliant features, and today it's one of the most sought after refrigerators in the market. So let's understand the star features one by one. To begin with, this LG refrigerator comes with a cutting-edge smart inverter compressor technology that easily saves Rs 8,330. It also comes with a 10-year warranty. Next up, this fridge comes with Smart Connect technology. This feature helps connect your refrigerator to your home inverter automatically. Once the refrigerator is connected to the home inverter, every time the power goes out, it automatically switches to the power backup without any manual supervision. During power cuts, it consumes power less than that of 2 CFL bulbs. Isn't that amazing? Now you'd be happy to know that this range of LG refrigerators is solar smart, and it uses solar energy as a source of power. This redefines power consumption patterns and effectively reduces your electricity bills. Moving on, a feature exclusive to LG Direct Cool refrigerator is that it makes the fastest ice in just 108 minutes. So now you can totally count on this fridge for your parties and your big gatherings. Friends, microbes and bacteria are a general problem in a refrigerator. But with this one around, you can say goodbye to this worry. This range comes with a washable gasket to prevent the formation of bacteria. This refrigerator is also equipped with specialized glass shelves, a feature which is exclusive to LG. They can take up to 175 kgs of weight, which is maximum in its class. So go ahead and store all those heavy vessels with ease. Next up, this LG fridge also has the Moist Balance Crisper. Apart from its noteworthy size, the Moist Balance Crisper also increases the life of groceries by a few extra days. Let's check it out. Friends, this refrigerator can work without a separate stabilizer. It can effortlessly operate in a wide voltage range of 90 volts to 310 volts, which is the widest voltage range in this class. I would say it's extremely helpful in places with frequent voltage fluctuations. So guys, I think your long painful search for a perfect cooling companion ends right here. The LG GL D241 ASPX refrigerator is a powerful cooling machine that will be an ideal help for your family in no time at all. So go ahead and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me today. Have a perfect buy.